Okay, Caveman used to think talking to smart speaker was peak human laziness. Then Caveman owned one for 2 weeks. Now, Caveman yelling, "Set timer for meat," across room like ancient king commanding digital servant. This new Echo Show 5, actually pretty solid little device. You get Alexa, smart home controls, music, weather, alarms, video calls, recipes, random internet questions humans suddenly remember at 2 a.m. All inside tiny screen that fits basically anywhere. Kitchen especially makes sense. Human cooking process apparently just constant panic, timers, and forgetting ingredients. This thing handles all of it without Tribe touching phone with raw chicken hands. Caveman respect practical design. Take a look at this.
Good morning. It's 30 degrees.
Alexa shows the front door.
Little speaker actually fills rooms surprisingly well. The screen also useful. Not life-changing giant cinema experience, obviously, but checking weather, seeing timers, watching quick videos, or controlling cameras feels convenient. Now downside, smart home stuff still works best when entire house already filled with Alexa gadgets. Once humans start connecting lights, plugs, cameras, thermostats, suddenly Cave become Jeff Bezos' command center. Little dangerous. Also, yes, microphone always listening technically weird. Caveman not ignoring that part. But at this point, Tribe voluntarily carry tracking brick in pocket all day anyway. Overall though, for bedroom, kitchen, desk, or nightstand, this thing genuinely useful. Not revolutionary, just convenient in way that slowly infect human routine until talking to glowing screen becomes normal survival behavior. Link in description if Tribe want check it out. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds. Caveman go ask Alexa weather instead of looking outside like ancestors intended.